Welcome to the Wilderness Dog Sled Races in Greenville, Maine. This was a project I was working on for a gentleman making a documentary about the dog sled race. And these are the clips that I put together as a project for myself just to show it off. And I hope everyone enjoys it. This is also my first audio introduction and narration. Here's a clip showing the dogs getting ready to hit the gate as they're waiting to be lined up. You can just look at them, they're just ready to go. It's crazy. These dogs love hauling these sleds. It's great. This is the first group to leave the gate. Unfortunately, I didn't have any pre-knowledge of the track's path, so I kind of lost these guys just as they left. But I had plenty of more to follow up later, as you'll see, that I was able to follow all the way out as they hit the woods. As you can see here, the dog's enthusiasm is so great that they have to hook them up to a four-wheeler to hold them from going back before they get lined up. It's pretty crazy. Look at them. They're just ready to roar and to go. This team here, I was able to follow quite a ways out into the woods. The previous team, unfortunately, the lead dog, one of the lead dogs, had gotten stopped at a corner, and it locked the whole team right up. And they just stopped dead, and it was pretty amazing to see. But all the teams made it back, so it isn't like it was detrimental to their time or anything that I know of. Here we are out by a road crossing out by the Greenville airport. It was pretty amazing hearing the mushers giving the dogs their different commands. Each team uses a different set of commands to do different things. It was quite amazing to hear them crossing the road and telling them where to go and how to go. It was really an amazing thing. So after the 2 stops that we made in Greenville, we had to take a trek out to Cocadjo, Maine, specifically West Branch Ponds Camps. This is the turnaround spot for the 65-mile part of the run, as they would come in and come up through the camps from this direction that you're seeing the camera in right now, and then they would go on back to Greenville. There's a team of logs just leaving the camps now, heading into the woods in the upper middle. I lost this team as soon as they got into the woods. I followed them for a second, but it's really hard and you're not really sure of which way they're going out there, and there's no sure map to show me where these are going. So I just follow them as best I could. Little backstory on West Branch Ponds. These are my my family's camps. We've been my family has been owners of them, not me personally, since 1920. My cousin Eric now is the owner-operator of these camps, and he's doing a wonderful job of these camps. They're a great place to cross-country ski in the winter, and in the summer you got the fishing and just the peacefulness of the area to come and enjoy your family or yourselves. It's a great place to stay. That in the distance is West Branch Ponds. Unfortunately, with all the snow and as cold as it was, I had battery issues, so a lot of the times I was trying to chase dogs I couldn't find because there was no way of telling you where they were and when they were getting here. I caught this team just as we were coming back into the camp with one of my last batteries. Fortunately, I was able to follow these guys for quite some time out into the woods. It's a really great shots. We had a really good time this day filming these guys, even with it being so cold, and it wasn't windy so much. As you can see the snow flying, but it wasn't windy. But it's pretty much snowed the whole day, but it was gorgeous. It was like snow globe. Beautiful. You can see here there's some cross-country skiers getting out of the way of the dogs down there, taking photos of them as they pass by. This is going to be coming to an end. I'd like to thank everyone for watching the video. Please like and share, most if it's on Facebook or YouTube. Join my channel, as they say, and have a great day. Thank you very much.